you can see the pattern and color combination. Now it has a more than 5 or 6 colors combination, and this whole saree on a silk base. Let's see the overall look. Something this kind of overall look you will get here. Friends, it's really brilliant piece, and quality of this product, that is also good. Let's move forward and see the next pattern, next sample, and that is going to be this very beautiful and attractive color, which is this orange and green, coral green. The combination is really attractive, and the fabric is also very good. Now, what is this fabric? This fabric is a rapier cotton, that is a fusion of silk and cotton. And if we talk about the border, so you will get kind of shiny border, which has one thread of zari, one thread of silk, one thread of zari, one thread of silk. Something this kind of we made the border of this particular saree. Let me show you which kind of look you will get here. So I hope you are getting idea how will it look. It will look really great. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. This is your friend Vaishnavi Chauhan, and in today's video I am going to show you the collection of traditional Pochampalli sarees. Yes friends, you might heard the name about Pochampalli sarees. That is very traditional saree. Usually people from South India, they love to wear this kind of sarees. So please keep watching this video if you want to do business of this kind of sarees, traditional sarees, and you want to purchase everything in a wholesale. So friends, let's move forward and see the first sample of our today's video, and that is going to be, as I told you, we are going to see the traditional saree, which is the name of Pochampalli. Now this particular Pochampalli saree, also known as a Patola saree, in Gujarat the design is same, but the name of this particular pattern, that is different. So this is traditional Pochampalli. Now what is the difference in this particular Pochampalli? So in the half of panel, here is a traditional Pochampalli printing, and in the half of the body there is a plain pattern. And if we talk about the fabric, so it is coming on a silk fabric. Let's move to the border. So you are getting weaving border, and that is very attractive and beautiful. If we talk about the overall look, so something this kind of overall look you will get here. Friends, this is the different color of catalog. Now one important thing I want to mention you here. Friends, you won't be able to purchase single piece. The reason we are not giving you single piece, because we are manufacturer and we are giving all of these things to a retailer. That's why you can only join us when you want to start your business and you are finding a place where you can get everything in a one roof. So you should definitely come at Ajmera Fashion at least once, and if it's not possible for you to visit Ajmera Fashion, don't worry, we have option to check it online, or you can order everything online. Now what we have sarees, kurtis, dress materials, ladies undergarments, blouse, petticoat, menswear, kidswear, lehenga, nighty, and lots of varieties in a wholesale. That is an opportunity for those who want to start business. So please come at Ajmera Fashion. Now let's move forward and see the next saree, and that is going to be this very attractive saree. As I told you, today we are going to see only Pochampalli. So now you can see the pattern and color combination. Now it has a more than 5 or 6 colors combination, and this whole saree on a silk base. Let's see the overall look. Something this kind of overall look you will get here. Friends, it's really brilliant piece, and quality of this product, that is also good. Now one thing that is compulsory, that thing you will get in Ajmera Fashion, that is quality, and second thing, that is price. Let's move forward and see the next pattern, next sample, and that is going to be this very beautiful and attractive color, which is this orange and green, coral green. The combination is really attractive, and the fabric is also very good. Now what is this fabric? This fabric is a rapier cotton, that is a fusion of silk and cotton. And if we talk about the border, so you will get kind of shiny border, which has one thread of zari, one thread of silk, one thread of zari, one thread of silk. Something this kind of we made the border of this particular saree. Let me show you which kind of look you will get here. So I hope you are getting idea how will it look. It will look really great. Now you might have a question that, ma'am, why you are not mentioning the price? So friends, we are extremely sorry, we never disclose the price on any social media platform. Reason, if we will disclose the price, that will be a problem for all of you to add your margin. That's why if you want to know price, or else you have any inquiry, what you can do, you can see the numbers on screen. Just call there or message there. Further information you will get there. Let's move forward and see this very attractive pattern, which is a pure silk, And as you all know, we are watching a Pochampalli design today. So this is very brilliant Pochampalli look. The fabric is really good, sari is very attractive, color combination is really brilliant. Actually, I'm in love with this particular sari, and same thing, your customer will also fall in love with this sari because of color combination and price range too. We have starting range in silk sari that is just 145 rupees. Yes friends, you heard it right. We have starting range in silk sarees that is just 145 rupees. It is an opportunity for those people who want to start business and you are finding a place where you can get everything. So come at Ajmera Fashion. We have everything what a retailer needs. Sari, kurti, dress materials, ladies undergarments, blouse, petticoat, menswear, kidswear, lehenga, night, and thousands of varieties. So do come here and check everything. Let's move forward. Without going further, I want to show you one more thing. That is going to be the blouse piece. So you will get full brocade based blouse piece here. Something this kind of heavy blouse piece you will get here, along with the lace border, like pattern of lace border. Look, the same pattern you were getting on the pallu part. Let's go further and see next pattern. Wow, now this particular coming on a cotton base, and also it has a weaving zari. This whole sari is coming with the weaving pattern. Wow, it is really nice sari. It is actually giving a 3D look, 3D effect because of the thread and zari. Yes friends, you are getting whole weaving zari and overall something this kind of brilliant pattern you will get here. Isn't this beautiful and attractive? Let's see the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. Isn't this beautiful guys? Coming with the heavy brocade base. Just we don't have a Pochampalli sari, but except that we have kurtis, dress material, ladies undergarments, blouse, petticoat, menswear, kidswear, lehenga, nighty, and lots of other things in a wholesale from a direct retailer. Except that if I talk about only sari, we have synthetic sari, daily wear sari, party wear sari, silk sari, cotton sari, Banarsi sari, all kind of saris we have here. So please come here, and if it's not possible for you to come here, just contact on the numbers what you can see on the screen, or else WhatsApp us, or else you can check it out everything on a video call too. We have video call facility. Also you can purchase via video call also. Let's move forward and see the next pattern, and that is going to be this very sweet sari, heavy look. Isn't this beautiful? Now it is sari giving a kind of shady look because it has a heavy lychee silk fabric. Yes friends, it is a lychee silk fabric. Let's see the border. This is the border of this particular sari, and let me show you the second border. So second border which will come in a panel. So this is second border that will be heavy, and this is going to be the blouse piece. Yes friends, you are getting heavy blouse piece here, and this is going to be the pallu part. So friends, we have thousands of varieties, thousands of patterns, designs, color chart, and very intricate kind of looks. So if you want to see that, direct contact us, or you can come at Ajmera Fashion. You will get address in its description box. So friends, this was our video on traditional Pochampalli sarees. If this video was informative for you, don't forget to like this video, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This is your friend Vaishnavi Chauhan signing off.